Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for August 15th to 29th. For August 15th to 19th, this is what we have here. We have above normal heights across Canada with a trough downstream here across the northwest and the northeast. And we have our ridge here across the west and the southern plains. You see it like this. So the ridge will cause high heat indices that could be hazardous across the southern plains to the Gulf Coast and lower Mississippi Valley in the southeast. An upper low will be moving into the northwest, and this will lead to cooler and wetter conditions across the northwest, and the ridge then retrogrades to the west as upper low moves in, and a trough would be moving across the country. We'll go to this at the surface, and then we'll have a system bringing, you can see it right here, bring showers and storms to the Midwest Ohio valleys next week. Some of the rain can be heavy, and that can bring flooding concerns. Okay, we're going to look at the pattern now for August 20th to 24th. Not much change. We still have a trough here, above normal heights across much of Canada and the western states. We have our strong ridge here in the west over the Four Corners region. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and for this region, and anomalies forecast to be about 4 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures here, with the anomalies as high as 10 degrees in some locations, parts of the southern plains. And for precipitation, I didn't do the precipitation forecast. Okay, I have to fix that. All right. Now we're going to look at the period for August 25th to 29th. And again, we have our trough above normal heights here across the western central states, above normal heights across much of the country except for the eastern states. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be about 10 degrees or more, especially across Texas and parts of the southern plains. And for precipitation, calling for a below normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 35%. Above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 35%. Now we're going to look at potential tropical cyclone 5, okay? And this is where it's forecast to go. It's supposed to remain well to the east of the East Coast. Might bring some issues to Bermuda. You can see Bermuda's right here, but that remains to be seen because anything could happen. So right now, the current advisory, we'll go there. Let me see. Okay, current advisory is 15.5 north, 56.4 west, or about 600 miles east-southeast of Antigua and 675 miles east-southeast of San Juan, Puerto Rico. Maximum sustained winds are 35 miles per hour, and the movement is to the west at 26 miles an hour. Minimum central pressure is 1,010 millibars, 29.83 inches. So it's almost a tropical storm. We'll take a look at the satellite imagery. Here it is. It's better organized. Don't really see, we can still seeing a little bit of a circulation right here, starting to take shape, but we'll have to monitor the system as it moves here. Now we'll take a look what the models do with it, and we'll go to the surface. This is the GFS. Okay, we'll start here. Now you can see it right down here. 998 millibars, so it does strengthen, and then it keeps it off the East Coast, That's the GFS, the European. Keeps it off the East Coast further out. So we'll keep an eye on this because anything can happen. We have a couple of more days, a week maybe, to see what this is going to go. So we'll keep an eye on this as we go through the next couple of days. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 15th to 29th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.